Okay, give it a try. See if you can open it. Okay, well today I am working on the trunk of the BMW. And we're gonna see right now, I brought a scale. I'm gonna measure how hard it is to open before and after. Okay, how hard was it to open?
It was super hard.
Okay, be careful. Okay, so it's really hard to open. I've been trying to think about how to demonstrate how hard it is to open. I think I'm gonna do that by this scale here. I'm gonna step on it, and there's gonna be my weight, which is just this. 154, 153. I don't know if you could see that. Here, I'm standing on 1 foot. 150, I weigh lighter now, apparently. And then this is gonna be how much I weigh as I open the hood. 179. So if I hold the hood right here, 175, 179 if I'm lifting it up. You know, obviously you can put more force on it. But let's just say 175. So basically this trunk weighs 25 pounds. Danger. Okay, I'm gonna fix the trunk struts today with this stick and a screwdriver, and of course the new parts. Okay, the stick is just to keep it out of my way. This is what we're gonna replace. These little struts are gas struts that help take off some of the weight of the trunk or the hood if you're doing it in the front, so it can lift easy. And to take them off, all you need is this little screwdriver. Behind, I'll show you on this one, right here, you can see there's a little notch right behind it. You just have to pry that off. I'm probably gonna have to put you on tripod. Okay. Okay, we got that one off. Got this supported by the stick, but be careful when you're doing this. Most trunks, I don't worry about it so much, but seriously, this thing is in such a precarious position, there you go, bottom's off too, that I worry about it coming down on my head. Okay, so I did it on the top and also the bottom. I'll show it again on the other side. Now I'm gonna put on the new one. Okay, so this is the new strut compared to the old strut. You can see the new one is obviously cleaner, but the idea here is they're the same length. But the old one you can see is blown, it's oily, its seals are gone. So this is gonna have a lot more strength. Good news is that this should be really easy to put on. So this has the same little ring that we would pull off with the screwdriver before. That's what clamps it down. It has the one on both sides, front, top and bottom. And the good news is it should just press on. Wow, that's just so easy. And then press here. There. That's on. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to do the other side. Okay, this is side 2. We're going to take our screwdriver and slide it behind that clamp to pry it off. There we go. That comes off. Now we're going to pry it off the clamp on the bottom, and that comes off real easy. Boy, oily mess. And installing the new one, super easy. Just take it, line it up, press, take it, line it up and press. And we don't even need the stick anymore. Okay, that brings us to the reveal. Oh. Nice. Okay, but how is it to open? There you go. I actually have to pull it to get it to go down. Okay, I'm gonna step on the scale. We'll see how much, if it still weighs 25 pounds, or is it, I'm expecting it to be 0. Oh, gotta get on first. Okay, I'm still 150. Well, it weighs 0 now. This is where it weighed 25 pounds. If I hold on to it, does it take my weight away? Okay, 44 pounds. 137. Okay. 137. So instead of weighing 25 pounds, it now is negative weight. So that's a huge improvement. And that's why you should upgrade your shocks, your struts on your trunk. Hope it helps.